Hey everyone, it's Graham Stephan. Today, we're diving into the world of unclaimed shares and how you can reclaim what's rightfully yours. A lot of people have no idea they're sitting on a potential gold mine of forgotten investments, dividends, or even shares just waiting to be claimed. If you've ever dabbled in the stock market or think a relative might have left some investments behind, this video is your step-by-step guide to navigating the IEPF. Hello and welcome to this guide on retrieving shares from the Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority, or IEPF. Let's begin. First things first, you need to know if you even qualify for this whole IEPF thing. Head over to the official IEPF website. I'll make sure the link is in the description below. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar where you can enter the company name. If you don't know the exact company name, don't sweat it. The website has a feature where you can search by your own name or even the name of a deceased relative. It's all about connecting the dots and seeing if any of your assets have taken an unexpected detour to the IEPF. Alright, so you've confirmed you're eligible. That's awesome. Now comes the crucial part. We gotta gather all the necessary documents. First up, you'll need your Aadhaar card or any valid ID proof. Next, grab your PAN card. This little guy is essential for all things financial in India. If you're dealing with demat accounts, you'll need a true copy of your CML, which outlines all your holdings. And don't forget forms ISR1 and ISR2. These are specific forms required by the IEPF. Okay, we're done with the paperwork, at least for now. It's time to enter the digital age and file that online application. Head back to the IEPF portal and look for Form IEPF 5. Make sure you double-check every detail. Accuracy is key here. Once you're confident everything is correct, upload scanned copies of all your documents. The portal is user-friendly, but if you get stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to the IEPF helpline. After you've submitted everything, make sure you download or print the acknowledgement receipt. Alright, we're getting close to the finish line. Now it's time to connect with the company's nodal officer or the registrar and transfer agent, also known as the RTA. These are the folks who handle all things IEPF for the company you're dealing with. Remember all those original documents we gathered earlier? It's time to send those over to the nodal officer along with a printed copy of your IEPF Form 5. Include a cover letter. It doesn't have to be fancy, just a brief explanation of your claim and why you're reaching out. You've done it! You've officially submitted your claim, and now it's time to play the waiting game. The IEPF authority usually takes a few weeks to process everything, so don't panic if you don't hear back right away. In the meantime, keep an eye on your email and check the IEPF portal regularly for any updates. And hey, while you're waiting, why not subscribe to my channel for more awesome financial tips and tricks? And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to navigating the IEPF and reclaiming your unclaimed shares. Remember, this process might seem daunting at first, but it's worth the effort. Every year, millions of dollars in unclaimed assets end up sitting idle in the IEPF. Take action today, follow these steps, and you might just uncover a forgotten fortune. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your claim.